camera's petting Huckleberry. That is Huckleberry.
My shoes, they're gonna start chewing at my
Oh, yeah. You did.
These guys are about a little over 4.5 months old, so yeah, they're just very curious about everything.
Come on, beauty.
It looks like that one's just been shaved.
Yes, you're right. What happened to all your hair? Are they making sweaters out of you already?
Da dun dun da dun dun. She's gonna do it.
With her?
I'm sorry.
Do you want to go with
It's
her?
okay.
And I'll take a picture.
It's a film. There she goes! Oh, she did it! All right.
Oh, look at his funny teeth. You have bad teeth. Oh my God, you're a little hillbilly. You're a hillbilly boy. Oh my God, and the white one has beautiful teeth. What happened? We have hillbilly boy and the little princess here.
Because at least the flies don't bother.
Good. Well, that donkey's talking.
Look at him. He's so funny. There you go. Jasmine could be doing this.
That is so fun. Why are you deserting us?
I am. I'm so sorry.
What is this all about?
I know, right?
What's the truth? Is there someone you're going to go meet? What's happening?
wish there was.
Okay, we'll wait for that other fellow.
Yes, he's very nice.
Okay.
I'll just drop off the other people first.
Okay.
Oh! This is my camera. I need to strap on it.
Well, these must be the blackberries. The
Oh yeah, look at that. Yeah, those are the
raspberries.
berries.
This is what you wanted. You wanted it.
I know. I had no idea it was. I don't know. I didn't know it was so bumpy.
We came for strawberries. They were the funniest thing.
Why would they do? Oh, those are the workers. Oh no, it's family. Yeah.
Like they have avocados too.
Oh wow. What is this?
Oh, these are walnuts.
Oh, I was
Fresh
wondering. Wow. They have like a little bit of everything.
Yeah.
It sounds like a smart way to do a farm. Little sections of everything.
Yeah.
I love it.
Look at
And
the
this is-
avocados. Look at the avocados you're missing. Oh, I found a bunch. Look.
Oh, wow.
Like the air. They gotta have flowers.
Oh. Oh, I love it.
They can stop for you. They can pick you up.
What is that all about?
Yeah, look at the door. Like, there's
Oh my gosh. I love this tunnel. Oh my god.
no, there's also big ones at the bottom.
Well done, Tamara. Oof. Love it.
I'm training for farming.
I know.
I would be a good farmer.
I know, me
love
too.
you.
I can see the.
You see it?
This is incredible.
Okay, yeah. I do. And the bees right there too. Careful.
Aww. He's tossing it all about. He's a beauty, huh? Yes.
I love you.
You're my spirit animal. Look how big he is.
Oh,
Look at
I know. So amazing.
Oh,